Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a Dodge Caravan. First, gather your essential tools, including an AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off before you begin any work to prevent accidents. Next, you will need to locate the low-pressure AC service port, which is typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe recharging process. Now, let's connect the recharge kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting of the recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Once connected, start your Dodge Caravan's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. This allows the compressor to engage, providing an accurate pressure reading on your kit's gauge. With the engine running and AC on high, it's time to add refrigerant. Hold the can upright and slowly squeeze the trigger in short, 5 to 10 second bursts. Between bursts, check the pressure gauge to ensure you are within the manufacturer's recommended range, usually indicated by a green zone. Remember to shake the can periodically to help the refrigerant flow smoothly and evenly into the system. Once the pressure gauge indicates the optimal range, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Turn off your engine and then test your AC system to confirm that cold air is blowing consistently from all vents. For more detailed instructions and other great deals, including that fantastic link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video. Keeping your AC running efficiently makes every drive more comfortable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.